So tired of getting too many or too few emails from Wix? In this video, I'll show you how to easily change your email preferences on Wix Builder. So on Wix Website Builder. So whether you want to stay updated or reduce the clutter, I'll guide you through the steps to customize your notification just the way you want. So let me show you what you need to do. So you can click on here on your profile, or even if you are like already selected your website, you already select the website, you still can click on your profile here, and then here you're gonna select account settings. And then here in account settings, you just have to scroll down until you see this one here, email preferences, right? And then here you're gonna have to click on manage preferences. Then here you're gonna see email preferences, special offers. Do you want to see, so to get any emails, promotions such as promotions, discounts. If you don't want to get these types of emails, you can turn this off. You also can turn off contests and events, new features. I would like new features to have, and tips for inspiration. I would like to get these types of emails. So that's kind of how you change email preferences on Wix Website Builder. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find this helpful, subscribe and like this video.